Good morning, students. Today I will discuss chapter 9 of series Public Facilities. Okay? In this chapter today I will discuss water and the pupil of Chennai, water as a part of fundamental right to life, public facilities, the government's role. Okay, students? Water and the pupil of Chennai. Senior government officials like Mr. Ram Gopal live in Anna Nagar, Chennai. This area looks lush and very green, with lawns maintained by generous spraying of water. Bungalows here have tap water for major part of the day. One day, when the water supply is inadequate, Mr. Ram Gopal speaks to a senior official whom he knows in municipal water board, and a water tanker is easily arranged for his house. But this is a case that this case is telling us about the water facility in Chennai. Like most areas of the city, Subramanian's apartment in the Malayapur suffers from water shortage. This area gets municipal water once in 2 days. A private borewell meets some of the residents' water needs. Borewell water is, however, brackish, so the residents use it in their toilets and for washing. For other use, water is purchased from tankers. Subramaniam spends up to rupees 500 to 600 per month on buying water from the tankers. This incidence is also telling us about the situation of the water facility in Chennai, position of the water supply in Chennai. Shiva lives on rent on the first floor of a house in Madikappam and gets water once in 4 days. 4 days. Once in 4 days. 4 दिन में एक बार water आ रहा है. Shortage of water is one major reason why Shivas can't bring his family to Chennai. It means it is a social problem. Water problem is a social problem कि लोग water की shortage की वजह से अपनी family को साथ नहीं रख पा रहे. चेन्नई में water problem एक बहुत बड़ी problem है कि दोनों जो मैंने आपको इंसिडेंट्स बेटा भी रीड किए, दे आर टेलिंग अस द स्टोरी ऑफ वाटर पोजीशन. पद्मा वर्क्स एज ए डोमेस्टिक हेल्प इन सदाईपुर एंड लिव्स इन नियर स्लम. शी पेज ए रेंट ऑफ ₹650 फॉर द हटमेट, which has neither a bathroom nor a tap connection. For 30 such hutments, there is a common tap at one corner in which water comes from a borewell for 20 minutes twice daily. A family gets to fill a maximum of 3 buckets. Within this time, the same water is used for washing and drinking. In summer, the flow becomes a trickle, so that one family gets water only at the cost of another. People have to wait long hours for water tankers. बेटा rich people तो अपनी facilities को पूरा कर सकते हैं, but what about these poor people? That they are not having water there. Adequate water supply नहीं है. Got it everyone? Now, water as a part of fundamental right to life. Right to life is our fundamental right in Article 21. Got it everyone? Water is essential for life and for good health. Not only it is necessary for us to be able to meet our daily needs, but safe drinking water can prevent many water related diseases. Got it everyone? India has one of the largest number of cases of disease such as diarrhea, cholera. Over 1,600 Indians, most of them children below the age of 5, reportedly die every day because of water related disease. These deaths can be prevented if people have access to safe and drinking water. इंडिया में बेटा सेफ और ड्रिंकिंग वाटर अभी हमारे यहाँ पर सब जगह पॉसिबल नहीं है. Every day 1,600 children or the pupil die due to these diseases caused by water. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of right to life under Article 21. This means that it is right of every person, whether rich or poor, to have sufficient amount of water to fulfill his or her daily needs at a price that she can afford. In other words, there should be universal access to water. बेटा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ने कहा कि नहीं भाई वाटर एक फंडामेंटल राइट है. सेफ क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सबको मिलना चाहिए, आइदर द रिच और द पुअर, कोई भी हो सबको सेफ और ड्रिंकिंग वाटर तो सबको मिलना चाहिए. There have been several court cases in which both the High Court and the Supreme Court have held that the right to safe drinking water is fundamental right. More recently, in 2007, the Andhra Pradesh High Court restated this while hearing a case based on letter written by a villager of Mahabubnagar district of contamination of drinking water. The villager's complaint was that a textile company was discharging poisonous chemical into a stream near his village, contaminating groundwater which was the source for irrigation and drinking water. The judges directed the Mahabubnagar district collector to supply 25 liters of water to each person in villages. बेटा राइट टू वाटर स्टूडेंट्स सबका राइट. गवर्नमेंट ने, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने, हाई कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर दे दिया कि नहीं राइट टू वाटर तो हमको मिलना चाहिए. बट कुछ पार्ट्स में वाटर है, लेकिन कुछ कंपनीज, कुछ फैक्ट्रीज का ऐसी चीज जो वाटर पोल्यूट कर रही है, ऐसे डिस्पोज ऑफ मटेरियल कर रहे हैं उस वाटर से, जो कि हमारा ग्राउंड वाटर सारा खराब हो रहा है. तो उस सिचुएशन में एक केस जो था सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट में फाइल हुआ. इवन हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर टू द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर कि वो हर पर्सन को पर पर्सन 25 लीटर ऑफ वाटर प्रोवाइड कराए लोगों को, बिकॉज इट इज आवर फंडामेंटल राइट इंक्लूडेड इन आर्टिकल 21. गॉट इट एवरीवन? नाउ पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज लाइक वाटर, देयर आर other essential facilities that needed to be provided for everyone. Last year we read about 2 such facilities: sanitization, health centers. I told you about the sanitization and the health centers. What are the role of sanitization, health centers, how they are helpful, and how the government provided so many health centers in every village, every district, every panchayat. Similarly, there are things like electricity, public transport, school, colleges that are also necessary. These are known as public facilities. बेटा गवर्नमेंट ने जो भी हमको फैसिलिटीज दिया है, नॉट ओनली द वाटर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट, कॉलेजेस, प्राइमरी स्कूल्स, गवर्नमेंट ने पॉसिबिलिटी इतना पॉसिबल किया कि हर पर्सन को ये चीजें मिले एट लोअर प्राइस. गवर्नमेंट ने एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन फ्री कर रखी है, एजुकेशन फ्री है. गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स कई जगह खोले जा चुके हैं. हर गांव में, मैक्सिमम गांव में, विलेजेस में प्राइमरी स्कूल्स, प्राइमरी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स है. इवन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाई हो गई है मैक्सिमम. ये फैसिलिटी है, राइट, फंडामेंटल राइट, हमारा राइट टू लाइफ में. पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज इनको बोलते हैं बेटा, कि जो हमारी नीड है, जिनके बिना जीवन पॉसिबल नहीं है. These are the public facilities. The important characteristics of a public facility is that when it is provided, its benefits can be shared by many people. ये किसी एक के लिए नहीं है, whole community के लिए. Once it is provided, it is shared by many people. For instance, a school in a village will enable many children to get educated. Similarly, the supply of electricity to an area can be useful for many people. Farmers can run pump set to irrigate their fields. People can open small workshops that run on electricity. A student will find it easier to study, and most people in village will benefit in some ways or the others. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमको बेनिफिटेड है. हमें पता ही नहीं कि गवर्नमेंट ने हमको ये प्रोवाइड करा रखी है. गांव में बेटा, विलेजेस में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, फ्री स्कूल्स हैं, हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स हैं. इवन दिस फैसिलिटी ऑफ की सैनिटाइजेशन है, गांव में अच्छा सैनिटाइजेशन है. हर जगह एक गैप के बाद एक डिस्टेंस पर पब्लिक टैप्स लगे हुए हैं. इवन कचरा गाड़ीज आ रही है फॉर डिस्पोज ऑफ दिस, कि जो भी हमारा मटेरियल है, वेस्ट मटेरियल है, उसको थ्रो करने के लिए. व्हाट दिस इज द पब्लिक फैसिलिटी. व्हाट इट एवरीवन, टुडे आई हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द सिचुएशन ऑफ वाटर फैसिलिटी इन Chennai, water as a part of fundamental right and public facilities. Okay student, in my next video I will discuss the remaining part of the chapter. Okay students, have a nice day.